Repurposing sounds like a great concept, right? Record once, post everywhere. You've got YouTube, Reels, Shorts, cool. But in reality, holy hell is it time consuming. Am I right or am I right? It's a whole thing. When you're trying to post both educational long-form videos and short-form content, regardless of the platform, you either record the same thing twice, or spend forever cropping and editing, or you throw it into an AI tool and hope that it spits out something decent. Yeah, good luck with that. And then don't even get me started on using the crappy Instagram or YouTube editors on the phone to try and add images to support your content. And suddenly, something that should be simple feels like a full-time job, right? But what if you could record once and have both formats ready to go instantly with your visual assets like images or screen shares or presentations already in place without having to struggle to edit it after? Hi, if you're new here, I'm Lori Petrucci, and I help entrepreneurs create video that builds trust fast and actually converts. This whole repurposing thing actually ties into what I call the trust trifecta, specifically this content piece, one of the 3 essentials to create higher converting videos. So the problem is not repurposing itself, it's specifically how you're creating your content from the start. Because most people right now are thinking about repurposing in post-production. You record first and then you try and fix it later. Crop it, reframe it, add visuals after the fact, or worse, you record the same idea twice in 2 formats. No wonder it feels heavy. So here's what I want you to do instead. You start thinking about your content in pre-production instead of post-production. Before you ever hit record, you ask, what does this look like horizontally? And what does this look like vertically? And now you design for both at the same time. That means, do I need a screen share here? Do I want an image or visual to support this point that I'm making? Where should I be positioned in each frame? So instead of fighting with that platform later, you're building the experience up front. And when you do that, everything changes. So how do you do this exactly? Well, you're gonna use a software called Ecamm and their dual mode feature to record live to drive is what we call that, getting both horizontal and vertical videos at the same time, moving through your layouts, your camera full screen here, add in an image there, screen share here. Everything is already dialed in. And don't worry, if you don't have Ecamm already, click the free trial link in the description below. So here's the cool thing. When you stop recording, you're not starting the editing process. I mean, you didn't sign up to become an editor, right? You're basically done, right? Now repurposing becomes trim the clip, maybe add a quick sticker or a caption on Instagram, and move on with your life. You've got a business to run. We don't need heavy editing. We don't need duplicate recording. We're not hoping that AI doesn't butcher your content. Just clean, intentional, ready to go video. And here's the part most people don't expect. This isn't just faster, it actually makes your content better because you're thinking about the viewer experience wherever they might be watching. And when you keep the visuals of a video moving along, it helps your audience retain the information better, stick around longer, and engage more. Don't you want that? Now, here's the ugly truth of this. This does take a little intention up front. And this is where most people get stuck. They start overthinking layouts. They think about the camera framing, the graphics, and suddenly they've spent hours trying to get it all configured. So we took that part off your plate. We built dual mode profiles for you, designed and approved by my graphic designer, the magical Mr. Paul Dixon. So you can literally download the file, double click that file, it just loads everything into Ecamm, ready to go. You're just gonna tweak your brand colors, add any assets that are unique to your content, and hit record. Now you've got a full repurposing system before you even start recording, without you having to figure out how to build it yourself. Go grab it at livestreamingpros.com/duel. It is linked to in the description below.